Meet my new project, a 1970s Volkswagen Beetle. She's seen better days, rusted, missing headlights, and the seats, let's just say they've turned into a squirrel's dream home. But hey, every car has a story, and this little bug deserves a second chance. Why a Beetle? Because it's a classic, it's quirky, timeless, and has more charm than your neighborhood coffee shop. Plus, restoring it is a lot easier than dealing with a luxury car like last time. Or so I thought. First, we gave her a deep clean and tackled the rust. Cleaning this car was like exfoliating a 50-year-old face. Messy, satisfying, and slightly terrifying. The bodywork was tricky, but nothing a little patience and a lot of hammering couldn't fix. Next up, paint. I went with pastel blue because, let's be honest, it's the color that screams vintage Beetle. Watching that paint go on was pure magic. It's like the car was smiling for the first time in decades. We gave her new eyes, shiny vintage headlights, and the interior got a complete makeover. Soft leather seats, polished knobs, and even a retro steering wheel. This little bug was finally looking the part. And then, the moment of truth. Turning the key felt like waking a sleeping giant, or in this case, a slightly grumpy old bug. But when that engine roared to life, I couldn't stop grinning. She was alive again. Driving this Beetle was everything I imagined. Smooth, nostalgic, and just plain fun. People waved, kids pointed, and for a moment, I felt like I was back in the 70s. This car, she's not just restored, she's reborn. Restoring this Beetle was short and sweet, but the joy it brought? Absolutely priceless. Let me know what you'd like to see me restore next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on this wild restoration.